Biteka cia cukari thumu ndumu na riboti ya kamiti ya kanini kega irirekanite gukorwo iri na utingia ruti guthiraga ciatira. Mĩario ya mũmbunge wa Kimilili Didmas Barasa agĩkuruhania mũrũgamĩrĩri wa atumia wa Wajir Fatuma Gedi na mũmbunge wa Belgut Nelson Koech makĩrĩkana nĩo magayaga mahaki kĩamũkĩro na ũritũ mbunge-inĩ.
We can only make allegations which we can substantiate.
This is a very serious matter, Mr. Speaker, and I would like you to give me time to express myself.
Now, Honorable Amunyinyi.
Mr. Speaker, I want to draw your attention to the Constitution of Kenya.
Put it in writing. So you will be given an opportunity once the document has been seen, and you'll be just like every other member. But what you have done here is to ambush.
Mr. Speaker, this issue has not been resolved. The issue of sugar importation has not been resolved.
No kurigana na Baraza hari na maretwo ma abunge othe hari magwithira riboti ya kanini wa kana kiumia kihituku na ari merekanite kwamukira gatagati ga ciringi 10,000 na 30,000 maretwo mareranire gutwara wabici-ini ya speaker muthenya wa rucio.
This scheme was led by none other than the Wajir women representatives Fatuma Gedi, and I will not apologize. If there is somebody who is required to apologize, then it's her who should apologize for letting down women of this country, because women are known to be lesser corrupt. Tomorrow by 11 in the morning, I will be officially putting that document on the office of the clerk of the National Assembly.
You are actually taking a line that seeks to confirm. Can I finish? Can I finish?
Maundu makionekana kwiha makiria muthutha wa mwihito uyu Gedi na Didmas marikire gucongoirana gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa mbunge. Gedi harerikana gutafarira mahakimu muoroto ari kuhithirira uria wari minister wa Iganda Aden Mohamed, nake Nelson Koech akĩrĩkana kuhithirira minister wa kĩgĩna Henry Rotich. No mũtongoria wa arĩa anini mbunge-inĩ John Mbadi akauga mbunge nĩ yagĩrĩirwo gĩtĩo na gũtuĩka nĩ endekithĩtie uria ũkũnyitĩkana hingũrĩrwo thitango.
When you talk about bribe was being given to individuals, if at all it was there. So mention those individuals and provide evidence so that the law takes its course on them. But don't just drag the whole institution in the mud because what you wanted achieved, you have not achieved.
Uhoro uyu ukitiriria mwe abunge mendekithĩtie president aigirire ndũgamano ĩno ũndũmwe na gũthondekwo gwa kamĩtĩ ya mwanya ya kwenjera kĩrĩa kĩrarĩa kĩngĩ kuna Kenya matirĩ na ũma wa kana cukari ũrĩa niĩ nawe tũranyua nĩ mwagĩrĩru kũrĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.